So you lived in the US for years, followed every single rule, and now it's finally time to become a US citizen. But how do you actually apply? Let me show you step by step. Hi, I'm Simon Shetty, the founder of Smart Green Card, and in this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to apply for US citizenship online, who is eligible, what documents you may need, how to fill out the form, and what happens after you hit submit. Let's keep it simple and clear because that's the way we like to roll at Smart Green Card. Quick heads up, if you're aiming for an EB-1A green card, we've added an option in the Smart Green Card website where you can fill in your details and get a free profile evaluation from our team. No guesswork. We'll tell you where you stand and what steps you should take. Smart Green Card VIP has already helped over 200 professionals get their EB-1A approved, and you could be the next one. Alright, let's talk about how to apply for your US citizenship online. First step is to check your eligibility, and to apply, you generally need to be a green card holder for at least 5 years or for 3 years if you're married to a US citizen and the US citizen was a US citizen for at least 3 years till that date. So you should also have continuous residence, your physical presence, and also good moral character. Step 2 is you create a USCIS account. Go to my.uscis.gov and create your online account. It's free and easy, and it's how you submit your application, upload your documents, and also track updates. Step 3, file your form N400 online. This is the main form that you will need, and once logged in, go to file a form online and choose form N400, which is application for naturalization. You'll fill your details in about your immigration history, your work, your travel outside the US, and more. Step 4 is upload required documentation. You'll typically need a copy of your green card, and depending on your situation, your marriage certificates, your travel history, and also your tax records. Step 5 is pay the filing fee. As of now, it is $710 for online filing and $760 for paper filing. The filing fee is always subject to change, so I always encourage you to visit the official USCIS website and their fee schedule to check the latest fee schedule. Now, step 6 is you track your case and prepare. Once you submit it, you'll get notices for biometrics, your interview, and eventually your oath ceremony. So everything stays updated on your USCIS account. Applying for citizenship can feel overwhelming, but when you break it into multiple steps and use the online portal, it's way more manageable. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and share it with someone who's about to apply for citizenship. Because if you're on a green card for about 5 years, you can apply for citizenship. And if you're serious about upgrading your green card journey to the EB-1A to get it sooner, don't forget to check out that free profile evaluation on smartgreencard.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.